Oh man.
Hey everybody, Scott Malek, the Vintage Vegan here at Scraps. You know, on Saturday, as always, just waiting for you to come join me and take a little tour of the place and see all these beautiful animals that are looking for a home. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and fostering is always free. So come on down, let's go for a tour. Peace, love you. All right, everybody, welcome to Scraps. It is Saturday, and we're getting ready to go in A-Pod and see what's available this week. And I hope I can find you guys something here, and let's go on in and take a look. Here we go, going into A-Pod. And the first dog is Dojo. Dojo's adopted.
Good job, Joe. Good job, buddy. You got adopted. Yes, you did. You got adopted. Hey, Colleen. There's Colleen. Colleen's number. There you go, baby. There you go.
We got Caboose. This is the three-legged dog. There's Caboose's numbers. There's Caboose.
Missing a leg. Where's your leg, baby? You missing your leg, huh?
We got 3 legs. That dog is the sweetest dog. We take the dog out and walk the dog. This is Mrs. There's Mrs. number. This is ain't up here, but this is Hachiku.
There you go, Hachiku. There you go, baby.
Hachiku on the right. This is Ragu.
There you go.
That's Ragna. This one's Genevieve. There's Genevieve's number.
There's Genevieve. There you go, baby.
Good job, baby. Cinderella. Here's your brother. Come here, baby. Cinderella. This one is Sheila. There's Keila's numbers.
That's a good looking dog. Yes, it is. It's a good looking dog.
Keila, buddy. Keila, good looking dog. Next, there's Rex. Rex. Simba's gone. God, good job, Rex. Got it off. Right there. There's Monty. There's Monty's number.
There you go, baby. There's another one for you. There's another one for you. Good job.
Good job, Monty. Oh, we got Sheba. Hey, Sheba. There's Sheba. There's Sheba's number. Here, baby, there's your treat for you, Sheba. Come here, baby. You want your treat, Sheba? You could get Sheba. There's Gemma. There's Gemma's number.
Hey, Gemma, there you go, baby. There you go, baby. Good job, Gemma. Good job, Gemma.
There's Mark Twain, everybody. There's Mark Twain's number.
There you go, Mark Twain. There you go, baby.
Hey, Shirley, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, Shirley. It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay. We got here Bailey. We got Bailey. That's Bailey's number. It's so small.
There you go, baby.
Violet, everybody. Violet's number.
Hey, Violet.
These are so small. Yeah, man, I'm like,
There you go, baby. There you go. What you doing, Yoda? Jethro. Is somebody gonna get you a home, baby? Huh? Is somebody gonna give you a home? What do we got here? We got Zorro's next, everybody. Zorro. I don't know why you're still here, baby. There you go, baby. Good job, Zorro. Good job, Zorro. You win now. And then the last one we have is an 8-pod is Flynn. And there's Flynn's number. There it is. It's a good one. Here, Flynn. Come here, baby. Good job, Flynn. All right, everybody, that is A-Pod. And remember, like, share, subscribe so we can find these guys a home, because Lord knows they need a home. This place is like jail, unfortunately. Anyways, come on down and take a look at this place and see if you're interested in getting another family member for your home. So, because they're always down there, and we have more than enough animals to go around. Let me tell you, there's a lot of dogs here. Anyway, so here we go. We don't have no little dogs, and the first dog we have is Penny. Come here, Penny. You got Penny? There's Penny's number. Come here. What you doing, baby? What you doing? I dropped it, Penny. I dropped it. There you go, baby. Good job. This is the dog. Cutest dog I've ever seen in my life. Alright. Next one we have is Howard. Here's Howard. Here's Howard's number. Here, baby. Is that good? Is that good, baby? That's good, isn't it? Now we have Dora. There's Dora. Dora's number here, baby. There you go, Dora. Come here, baby. Oh, there's another one, baby. There you go. Whoops, sorry. All right, Dora. What you doing, Reba? You know who it is. You know Scott's coming to give me some treats. Yes. Good job. Good job, baby. Is that good? You want me to give you another one? Oh, you act like you're all tough and you're just a good big dog. We got Ordos. Hey, Ordos. We just seen your brother back over there. Zorro, baby. There you go. Good job. Good job. There you go. There's one more. There you go. And then we got Sonny. Here's Sonny. Here's Sonny's numbers. Here's Sonny. Here, what you doing, baby? Oh, whoops, sorry, I dropped it. Here you go. Here's another one. There you go. Good job, Sonny. We got Sonny, and this one's Honey. Here, look at that. There's his number. Oh, Sonny and Honey. That's pretty ironic, huh? What you doing? You're a new one. You're a new baby dog. Very good. Bunch on my fingers. We got Archie. Hey, Archie. What you doing, Archie, baby? Huh? Whoops, sorry. Here, Archie. Come here. Here's a good one for you. Good job, Archie. Archie's just you doing, baby. There you go. Good job. We got Savannah's next, everybody. Savannah's number. What you doing? You're sure you have a beautiful dog. Oh, you got your beautiful dog out there. Look at that. Savannah, everybody. And the next dog we have is Chuck. This is Chuck, everybody. There's Chuck. There's Chuck's number. Come here, Chuck. Come here, Chuck. There you go, buddy. You want another one, Chuck? Give me another one. Oh, buddy. Chomp on me. This one. Oh, look at this one. This is a cute dog. This dog, his name is... What's his name? Clover. That's Clover, everybody. And Clover's number. You sure are a cute dog. Here. You don't want none? There you go, baby. He sure is a cute looking dog. Look at this one. This is good. Look at this little guy. This is Millie. This is Millie's number. There you go, Millie. Good job, baby. Good job. What do you think of that, huh, baby? And this one is Valor. Valor just went outside for a walk. And we got Groot. Oh, this dog, Groot. Groot's number. Hey, Groot, what you doing? I can't even hold these because they're so small. Ugh. Here you go, Groot, buddy. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. This is
Oscar, everybody. Oscar's number.
Here, Oscar. See if I can get it.
This creature's so small, you ever see it get
Sega, there's Sega. Oh, ouch.
Yes, sir, you keep biting my finger.
Yeah, trying to come to grips with everything that I just
How you doing, baby? There you go. Oh, good job. Good job. There you go. Good job. Hey, drop it. There it is.
with everything that I just lost.
The last one is number, everybody. There's the lowest number.
Yeah, did you want these this week? There you go. Good job, baby. Good job, baby.
All right, everybody. That is B-Pod. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get some people down here to look at these dogs. And I will see you guys next week. Take care. Peace. Love y'all.
Save me from myself.